Today we're going to be learning how to laser engrave. The first thing that you're going to want to do is go to the Epilogue laser, turn on the on switch located in the back left of the machine. This is so when you send your file, it is able to accept it and you can print from the laser. Once you have it turned on, you're going to want to go to the piece that you want to engrave and measure its width and height. Now you're going to want to go to your computer and open up CorelDraw. Okay, when you open up CorelDraw, you should be able to click New Document, title the document whatever you want it to be, just so that you know that when it gets sent to the laser, if there's multiple files being sent, you know that that one is yours. You're going to want to change the width and height to the same dimensions that you just measured, so that the laser doesn't engrave into something that it doesn't want to. Now the file should look relatively similar to what you had before. You can always change the width and height in the top left, as I just pointed out, in case you decide to engrave a different piece. Now there's various drawing and moving tools on the left side of the screen. These are very similar to AutoCAD or Photoshop if you've ever used those programs. They're very self-explanatory and it gives a short description underneath each tool. We're just going to be using text for now, as it's the most common feature when laser engraving. On the top left, you can also change the origin of the piece that you have highlighted to make it exactly an inch or so, or 2 inches, whatever you desire, from the bottom left corner of the piece. Now I'm going to demonstrate the different types of laser engraving. I'm going to draw a rectangle across the text, change the dimensions of the rectangle to exactly what I want, and change it to a hairline drawing. The difference between a hairline and a different size is that hairlines get cut and the other sizes or images just get engraved. Now click Print, select Epilogue Laser Engraver, go to Preferences so you can set the laser to do exactly what you want it to. Raster is for the non-hairline drawings, and that is for engraving images. And Vector is for cutting. That's what you want the hairline drawings to be. You always want to have autofocus on so the laser knows how tall or deep the piece is. Set the width and height to the exact same as before. Go to the chart on the side of the laser engraver. Look for what type of piece you're using. Right now I'm using a maple wood. And look at the recommended settings so you can change that in the file. Once you have those applied, click print and they should be sent to the laser. You always want to put your piece in the top left corner of the laser bed. Make sure that your print came through. Turn on the exhaust box. The switch is located on the back right side of the box so that no fires or melting or burning or anything of that sort happens. Always shut the top door and click go as soon as you see that your file's there. It should autofocus right away. And then you should start seeing your image come through. If you're trying to cut something out and you notice that it didn't go all the way through, you may have to run the job twice. You can do that by simply just pressing go. As you can see, this piece didn't turn out the best, so I'm going to have to go back and change around some settings. When you're done using the laser, make sure you turn everything off.